Today, we are going to show you how to remove and replace the laser tube on your Muse Titan. First, make sure your Muse Titan is unplugged. This will allow the gantry to move freely. The bolts are located on the gantry here and here. Then we will start removing the bolts so we can get the laser tube off the gantry mount. Then we will remove the positive and negative wires connected to the tube itself. Remove the insulated cover to access the other side of the laser tube wire connection. Now remove both the inlet and outlet water tubes from the laser. The tube is now finally removed completely and can be disposed of by simply throwing it away. Time for your replacement tube. Simply do all the steps we've done to remove the tube, but in reverse. Now that the tube is installed, check your alignment and get back to making.